Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing this. Today I'm doing a DIY marble flooring in my bathroom. So my bathroom is pretty small, pretty standard size, and I'm beyond excited to put down these floorings because my floors are chipped, you guys. They are chipped, they are not looking too good. So I'm sure these vinyl tiles will make my floor look lovely, and I'm going for a glamorous, kind of modern. I'm going to Home Depot and I'll be back and I'll be letting you guys in on how I do my DIY floors. So I just bought these marble floor vinyls by the brand Traffic Master. They come 30 in a box, so you get quite a bit for your money, and I paid $25 for these, for this one box actually, and I thought it was pretty affordable. My bathroom is pretty small, so 30 tiles is perfect. So this is what one floor marble vinyl looks like. It is a 12-inch by 12-inch tile. So you're getting a pretty big tile for $26 altogether for all 30 of them. And the good thing about this tile is water resistant and it's perfect for the bathroom. So if you guys want to stick along to see how I do these vinyl floors, stay tuned, and we're going to transform this bathroom into a luxurious glam marble floor bathroom. Stay tuned. So these are my floors in their regular state. Let's get started. So this is the before. This is just my radiator. It looks old because it is old. So all you're going to need is your self-stick vinyl tile, your pencil, and scissors. This is just to cut through the tile if you want to get into spaces like this. That we're going to start off with, and we're going to start over here in the corner. I'm just going to make sure I align them right, and I sort of have this little situation here. My entry is a little bit of a marble design. This one. Yeah, we're going to do it like that, and then I'm just going to fill in parts for the corners. Going to fill in little pieces for this area. I have enough tile to do that, but I just want to make the entry part look nice, so that's why I did it like that instead of putting it over in the corner here. My vinyl floors are not going to affect my real floors. These vinyls will be easily able to take up once I am ready to do my new tiles. In the meantime, I'm going to stick this over it, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to lift up the vinyl and just to take it off. So if you're ready to take up your vinyl and do your real floors, just take a corner like this, lift it up slowly. Alright, so I don't have any socks on or shoes, but that's okay. I'm just going to line these pieces up. I know I'm not accurate, but listen, I have good judgment, so that's all that matters. I'm just using my handy dandy scissors strip here, and I'm just going to place it right on the side. See, I told you guys I have good judgment. I know you guys judged me at first. I'm just going to paste it along here. This vinyl is very easy to cut through, so yes, you can use basic scissors like this. I'm just going to go around the edges just like so, doing the same technique. A few more spots to fill in, but we're on a roll. Just finished with that, and we're going to move to this little section over here using the same piece of tile that I used to fill in these gaps here. It's definitely coming together. I'm really excited. For the most part, we're done. I'm so happy with the look, and as you can see, I missed that part here, but otherwise it's so nice and I love it, you guys. I really do. Some parts I had to fill in, do some fillers. As you can see on this side, it's not really noticeable at all because it's marble, so it kind of just blends along. And after 2.5 hours, my floors are done. I enjoyed filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely stay tuned for more DIY to come. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe to my channel. I love my glamorous bathroom, so I'll talk to you guys later.